As high school comes to an end, I realize how fast time has gone by. I probably had the best childhood life ever. In elementary school, I cheered kindergarten through 5th grade. I will never forget those times. Before my sister was even thought of, I lived with my stepsister who currently goes to Butler, who is a sophomore. It feels like yesterday I was just a freshman walking into Butler meeting so many friends. No one truly realizes that you never know when the last time you would speak to someone. So it's always important to be kind and just to worry about yourself. I have came a long way from freshman to senior year. All throughout high school, I have learned many lessons, one of those being I don't need no one but myself and my family, and to just always focus on schoolwork. Don't get me wrong, I had the time of my life when I took the time out to actually hang out with my friends. But now it's time to say goodbye to everyone and to wish them great luck. I believe in luck, as they always say, what goes around comes back around. People should know that I was always the one who gave the best advice with something small or even something personal. I was always the one who kept it real, although I was quiet at times, but I still helped out when it was needed. If anyone knows, I was really close with Jada. Jada's personality was just dramatic and crazy. Also, I was really close with Tutu. I got really close with them the beginning of senior year, and I probably had the best times with them. I was always with them at school, after school, not even in school, on break, just everywhere. And they made my senior year great until we all fell off. But it's okay, because I still have love for them. Also, another thing that made my senior year pretty fun was senior prom. Not actually having fun at senior prom, but actually getting dressed up and getting cute. Although senior prom was lame, when I got home, I went to Wendy's and got me a 4 for $4. So I was straight. I am currently a pharmacy technician. It's probably the best jobs I've ever had in my entire life. Family is everything to me. I love my family so much, and if you know me, I always post them on my social media, and we always have parties at my house because we always have a good time. I'm just happy that I'm graduating, and I am very blessed. I'm just happy to see that I actually passed Ms. Barnes' class because I would have never thought I would have made it. Thank you, girl.